Why I broke up with my best friend Tone to DK, Bobrisky finally opens up. Controversial cross-dresser and philanthropist Idris Oguneye, also known as Bobrisky, has finally opened up on why he broke up with former best friend Tone to DK. Many people have questioned the reason behind the relationship crash between Bobrisky and his former best friend Tone to DK. The two used to be inseparable and were seen at several events. Bobrisky also used to visit Tonto Dike in her house and also spend time with her son. Bobrisky has, however, taken to his Instagram page to disclose the cause of failed friendship between himself and Tonto Dike. Bobrisky has recounted how he went all out for his former best friend and fought everyone just because he wanted to stay loyal to his best friend and make her happy. According to Bobrisky, after going all out for his former best friend, all he got were envy and jealousy. Although Bobrisky did not mention Tonto Dike's name in his write-up, the only best friend Bobrisky was known to have was Tonto Dike. In his words, he said, "I'm very emotional. Little things bother me. Imagine showing your so-called best friend nothing but true love to the extent of inconveniencing yourself most time, fighting all your so-called best friends, former friends, just because you want to stay loyal and make someone happy, and all you get from such person is jealousy, envy, lastly, not love the same way you love the person. The love only comes when you lend him or her your money and they won't still pay back. Oh. Such a friend just walk away forever and never comes back. Don't drag such a friend on social media. Oh, just walk away silently. Let nobody know the secrets you both shared when together." Guys, while I don't deal like this, so Bobrisky has finally revealed what happened between himself and Tonto Dike. Guys, what do you think about this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And also, if this is the first time of viewing my video, please don't fail to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned to Naija News and Entertainment as we'll be bringing you more and more gist. Stay safe.